Welcome back to Benny and Beyond. I'm Fionn.
I'm Reese.
And welcome to the Highlands. After sheltering from the heavy snow at the campsite, we hit the road late, starting our day at Dunnet Head. We don't have much footage here as the roads were quite treacherous, so we were just focusing on getting there safely. Hello, good afternoon. We've just been up to Dunnet Head and now we are making our way to Dunnet Bay.
Yes.
Is that what it's called? Yeah?
It's a beach.
Yeah.
Looks
I think
like
it's
a bay.
Dunnet Bay. We just parked at the free car park because we're cheap.
Yeah.
And we've walked down to the pay and display. Still snowy. Not snowing though.
No, sun's out, as you can see probably by my face,
And the fact that I got my massive sunglasses on.
Yeah. So sun's out, it's melting, but the issue is it's all turned now into slush.
Yeah, which is a bit of a nightmare.
But it's supposed to be sunny again tomorrow.
Yeah.
So hopefully lots of nice views.
Exactly, so we'll show you the beach now. To run some errands, like stopping for food in this Lidl.
Ignore whatever that is.
It looks like a patchwork
weird ass
quilt.
Robin Lion. The best view you're going to see from a Lidl.
Jesus, it's beautiful.
Shades.
don't video me with my big glasses on. Get it?
Do you see that deer?
I see it.
Look.
Look, he just stood there. Sheep probably, because it's a deer.
So we have woken up to -7-degree weather, and the inside of Benny is frozen. All the windows are frozen, even the inside wall's frozen, locks frozen. It's, I'll show you now. So all of this is on the inside. It's getting better now, but that's all on the inside.
Another morning, another ice scraping.
On the inside this time.
It's going well though, mate. You're making good progress.
Thank you. Can I help or?
Good morning.
Hi.
You join us. We're on the north coast. Very cold.
Freeze my tits off.
It's very, very cold. Can't feel our fingers or our toes. It's supposed to have stopped snowing now, and the next couple of days is supposed to be really nice and warm. The sun is shining, which is good. We had to stop off in a village last night. We could not find a park up that was safe or suitable for the life of us. I think we stopped at about 8 places.
Oh yeah, it was quite a mission.
So we parked up in this village, and this was our first experience with stealth camping actually. We weren't very good.
Did not enjoy it.
Didn't enjoy it. We were shit. The whole time we were like, are we too loud? Are we too bright? And our heater, when it gets up to temperature in that period, is quite loud out the side of the van. And we were opposite a hotel, so we were a bit conscious of it. We didn't feel comfortable cooking outside the van last night like we usually do.
We had sandwiches for dinner.
So we had sandwiches for dinner, and the curry that we cooked yesterday is going to be our lunch today. I have to say, the scenes on the north coast are beautiful.
Mad. Absolutely bonkers.
I'm so happy it's snowing, but I'm also a bit gutted because I can't see everything in its rightful glory.
I'm going to miss out on a few things here and there because it's just snow tracks.
It's not possible. We stopped off in Thurso, you will have seen. We gave Benny a wash.
Well, what a waste of time.
What a waste, she's filthy. So there's no point doing that.
£4 I'll never get back.
Yeah. beautiful robin.
Which video was it where we went to Brecon Beacons in the snow and we also saw a robin there?
It was in our bath. Oh my god. It was in our bath video. And we saw 2 or 3, I think, at once. And someone commented saying, do you know about the story of them being like a lost one coming to see you? Like a lost loved one? Someone who's died. And we did. So maybe this is someone else come to visit us in Scotland.
So I don't think it's going to jump in my hand.
No, I don't think it is, love. I think you're wasting your time there.
It's quite bright. But we're at Smoo Cave. It's just down there. The robin's following you. It's landed
Is
right
he?
by your foot. Oh, another one's the other side of you now.
Oh my god. You coming then?
I think
Yeah,
it's
man.
just a lovely noise.
I know, let's go, guys.
Let's go, gang. Every now and again I gotta turn around just to make sure you're not on your arse.
Oh, that's lovely.
Cave in the background.
I wish we had like smell-o-vision. Because you can smell the sea. Anyone who's lived by the coast for long periods of time will know what I mean when you can smell the sea and it feels like home. It smells like that. Can you see all the icicles up there? What are you doing?
I was looking at those icicles and thinking, would one would be under one of those if they fell?
No, so shall we move?
Yeah. You got some facts for me, love?
I do.
Go on.
So Smoo Cave is on the northern coast. Can you hear that echo?
Yeah.
It's on the northern coast of Scotland, and they've actually found evidence here of the first hunter-gatherer explorers of Scotland from nearly 7,000 years ago, which is just mad to think that there were people here that long ago and that they were potentially walking the same place that we were walking. Isn't that mad to think about?
That is.
I am getting dripped on now.
Okay,
so-
move.
But the sky today is so nice and blue. So we've got a lovely view, and we're going to take this walk through.
I don't know where it goes, but we'll
Don't know
find
where
out.
it goes and see where it goes. Yeah.
Look at this guy. Absolute nutcase. Why is you're having a laugh?
Jesus, loud. Okay, review of Smoo Cave. Loud.
Yeah, that waterfall was very, very loud.
Very loud.
Be careful, yeah.
Really cool if you're here on your own. I imagine in the summer it's mega busy.
Oh yeah.
But they do tours if you want to do a tour
I don't think
in
it's
season.
very expensive.
I think it was
I'm
£10.
not really sure what the tour is of.
Like you can just walk in, so I don't really know.
Maybe you can go in.
Yeah, maybe they show you different things and they go like a bit deeper.
Maybe it's like, what's that stuff when they like jump off rocks into like freezing waters?
Oh,
What's that called?
coastering.
Maybe a bit.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
That's true. That would be sick to do here though,
That
to
would
be
be
fair.
nice.
But the cave itself is huge. You do get a little bit wet, it's a bit drippy, but I mean, we're here in the snow and we're fine. Other than that, it's just really pretty, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
It's a good stop off. No! This is a serious event. Wait there. I'm getting ready. Oh, it is! It doesn't like throw well.
It's just powder.
Is it? You come here.
Okay. like is waiting for this one.
Alright.
Come on, get wiggle on. There's stuff you want to see.
So once you come up here from the cave and you walk back along this road, there's this little waterfall, and we just thought, oh, that's a cute waterfall. It's actually the top of the one underneath. So we're going to go down and have a little look.
So, as you just saw in the last clip, we were having a snowball fight
At Smoo Cave.
Smoo Cave, and a local came up to us and started having a chat.
Oh, it was lovely.
It was all good though, because I mean, it wasn't really a snowball fight. We were just kind of throwing mist at each other.
Yeah, to be honest.
So we'll have to have part 2 sometime today. But he was lovely.
He came over and he was telling us that we're in the area of Durness, which is where Smoo Cave is, and he was saying that they've not seen snow like this for a very, very long time, and that this is the most they've had in years. And he recommended that we come down to this little beach called Balnakeil.
I think so.
Balnakeil Bay and Beach, and it is beautiful. So we're just having a little stroll along the side now, just as an extra stop off, and then we'll go back and look at Sango Sands.
Yeah.
Wow, the views here, as always at the moment in Scotland, are beautiful.
Holy shit.
Oh, Scotland is beautiful.
What?
You cannot deny this. Have I got regular glasses on or sunglasses?
Sunglasses, mate.
Have I? No, I haven't, have I? Oh, yeah, I have.
Frozen lock.
It's completely like snowed over as well.
So we are currently on the hunt for a spot to cook pancakes.
Yeah, we're starving.
Yeah, we are absolutely marveling. We haven't eaten.
It feels like we've literally got the NC500 to ourselves.
It's so good.
It feels like there's nobody else here. It's just us chugging along, enjoying the views, and it's really nice because you don't feel like pressured to go fast or to hurry along because
Take your time.
one's. Yeah, you can take your time. No one's behind you bothering you. Oh. Benny, stop. It's just my driving.
You stole it.
I did.
I think we'll end it there then. Well, Fion's angry because we can't find a spot for pancakes. So she's now rummaging through the van to try and find some snacks.
Don't film me.
I didn't. The views here though, let me show you. As much as I would love to show you, there's growling going on. You can't get to her snacks.
The door won't open.
Anyways, look at this.
Where's my shortbread?
Mate, I'm trying to film a cinematic piece here.
Oh, should I take a Polaroid?
Yeah, go on.
I'm on snow.
So I nearly just died.
Shut up.
Some dodgy driving.
You drive then. Oh no, you can't.
Anyways, we're on our way to
Scoury?
Scoury, and the scenes again. How many times do we have to say it?
Do you know, in the Cairngorms, I was like, how can this get better? I was like, everybody says the further west you go, the better it gets. How can it get any better? I was like, we're not even on the NC500 and it's amazing. It gets better. It does. It definitely does.
And apparently, we're in the same thing again now, where we're like, can't get better than this.
And it is
Surely
gonna.
not. And apparently, we're not even near the best part yet.
Yeah, we're really excited to come down the west coast.
Oh,
and
yes.
hopefully, like today and tomorrow is supposed to be sunny, so fingers crossed the snow will ease off a bit.
So we're wearing these shades.
Oh, it's so bright. It's so hard to drive.
And the
with
snow,
all the snow
doesn't make, yeah, it's just gleaming.
Yeah, we're making good progress. We're having a great time. We just want to stop somewhere to have some lunch soon, don't we?
Yeah, still haven't eaten our pancakes.
No.
I think we've given up on pancakes. That'll be tomorrow now.
We'll have pancakes tomorrow. We've got curry for lunch. I want to stop. Maybe we can get our chairs out.
Yeah, it'd be nice to chill for a bit. Have curry in the sun.
Yeah.
Right, we'll see you.
Hopefully when we have our
curry in
curry.
the sun.
Good news. We found somewhere to pull in. We cleared a bit of the snow so she could get in. Reese thinks it was unnecessary. I don't want to get stuck. We had a great time doing that together. Looked like dickheads at the side of the road shoveling snow with our feet.
We don't have a shovel.
But we have stopped. This would be an amazing park up, wouldn't it? Our chair fell. So yeah, we're gonna stop here. We're gonna cook us up our curry. And we're going to have that for lunch, I think. I'll show you the view. Well, you can see it behind me. It's beautiful. Let's have some curry. Ugh.
What?
There's a big ass dead bug in there.
Was there?
Yeah.
Why have you taken it out?
No.
Well, do
because
it.
I don't want to touch it. So we made this curry yesterday and we put it in this pot. You saw these when we made soup. You saw these when we made soup to go up Prince Albert's cairn. So we made a chicken balti.
Which, by the way, the soup was still hot.
Yeah, the soup was boiling.
And that was after I don't know, how long did we?
Oh, about an hour and a half later.
Hour and a half later, plus a hike with snow.
Yeah, and it was piping.
Yeah.
So this has been stored since yesterday, but we're not expecting it to be warm. Obviously, we even put it in the fridge overnight. It was made yesterday morning, but it was just so that it would stay in an airtight container, because we didn't have any Tupperware big enough.
No.
So this was our solution.
One of them has extra meatballs in.
Yep, for sandwiches.
And the other one's not big enough. Yeah.
And lunch is done. We're having naan breads, and we've just mixed our rice in
Like
with our curry.
curry.
Yeah, it's like a chicken balti almost. It's basically just a curry we make at home all the time. So we're going to have some of that with our naan breads, and we're going to sit and enjoy the view. After we enjoyed our curry with a view, we headed further to park up beside this gorgeous loch. Can you see? There's like a little family of deer heading up the hill. They just crossed the road and they very nearly got run over. They like hightailed it across the road, bless them. It's starting to snow, so I think they're heading for shelter. Just up over the hill. Join us in the next video where we wake up like this, see views like this, and eat food like this.